The most exciting part of the job is definitely going out there to see and really seeing these animals in their environment. That's just amazing. I think it's equivalent to the expectations we have of finding life in other planets. That's the kind of life forms that we see down there. So coral reefs are some of the most important ecosystems in the planet because they provide habitat to a huge diversity of organisms. The vast majority of species and diversity of corals and coral ecosystems is found in the deep ocean, so below the reach of sunlight. And that's the focus of my research, is those ecosystems that live in the deeper parts of the ocean. All the way from the near surface of the ocean to the deepest parts of the Gulf of Mexico, we find very significant coral communities. The Gulf of Mexico is extremely rich in fossil fuels and hydrocarbons. That can be oil, but it can be also methane. And there's a tremendous amount of extraction of those resources in the Gulf of Mexico. Since you have so much of it, it's natural that accidents occur. And so that's what happened in 2010. There was the largest marine oil spill in history happened in the Gulf of Mexico. One of those oil platforms exploded and got out of control, and the oil started just free flowing into the ocean. What's been the focus over the last 10 years since the oil spill was assessing the damage and monitoring what was the changes that have been happening. So right now we're entering a second phase of restoration. So now that we know what's damaged, how do we go about restoring those ecosystems and the services that they provide?